What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to make some snack pack Fanta Jello ice cream rolls. I haven't had a Fanta Grape Soda in a while. Little cream and sweetened condensed milk, guys. Alright, let's see if I can get these to roll. That worked out. That rolled all right. A little bit of whipped cream. A little bit of Hershey strawberry syrup. Alright guys, let's go ahead and give this a try here. Oh wow. Guys, that's good. Wow, kind of sweet, but really good. Well guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And you guys have a great one.